so much ago. I'm not taking any of those calls to the vet. I'm actually gonna get an SUV this summer, so when we go on family trips and everything, we can actually transport the dogs and the family comfortably. I want a Suburban. See you guys on the next clip. Leave at the vet. Waiting for her to go to bed. Hey girl.
Come on, Pancho.
Hey Cobra. You out of the cam, Cobra? Alright, come on. Come on. Sit down. Relax. Puppy time. Two boys, two girls. Two boys, two girls. So we're gonna go ahead and put these up, and I'll come back to you. I gotta get mine. Proud mama. The all black one though. I ain't even like black dogs, but these so pretty. They're doing good, so I'm gonna go home, give them some colostrum. We're gonna feed them. I said I ain't want no all black dog, but I fell in love first sight. Come on, y'all all on him. Give him a little breathing room. All right, we got 4. 2 boys, 2 girls. Alrighty, so mom is resting. She's tired from the medication. It'll wear off in the next 2 or 3 days. Each day, each hour, she'll get better. Puppies have nursed and now are relaxing. This one is a girl. This one is a boy. This one is a girl. This one is a boy. So boy, girl, boy, girl. It's too early to see which one we are actually going to keep for the family, but we shall be keeping one. It's going to be a toss-up. Might keep 2. I don't know. We just really love these dogs. Mom is doing real good. She's up, but she's tired from the medication. This is actually my setup I made, and I have another Frenchie's actually in heat. Pregnant as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna partition this off. They don't need much area because I don't want the pups wandering off. I had a bulldog, so she had most of this area. She was more massive, but for the Frenchies, when there's too much room, the pups could be all over there. I'd rather her be close where she don't have to really move to get them or get to them. So I'm gonna section this off, and I'm gonna put my other Frenchie, when she have her puppers, on this side, and put this mom on this side. So I'm gonna section this off, and this is how I build. It's a little sliding door, go up and down, and I actually built this door to go in and out. And I put this up here for their stuff that we need, which is the colostrum. I give them maybe 2 times a day for 3 days, just so they can have it in the system. This is mom pain pills and antibiotics, so that she don't be discomfort or get any infection. This is a nose pump you're definitely gonna need. Pups drink too much milk, you pump it out. If not, it get in their lungs. I have puppy pads as well. And I put the puppy pads under this. So I have several blankets, and what I do is every few days I change out the blanket. Especially mom is usually gonna bleed a little bit, and as the puppies get older, they're gonna use the bathroom, feces all over. So I put the puppy pad actually under this blanket, and on top of the puppy pad is actually the heating pad, so that, because the puppies do need heat. This is also a heating light, but they need to be warm. Like if I touch them, they're warm to the touch. If they get if they get cold, their lungs actually not their lungs, their organs stop working. If it get too cold, all their organs shut down, and they won't nurse, and they will perish. So it's good. Is you have to keep them warm. It's not good. It's essential to keep them warm. So I have a heating pad under there. I'm gonna put the other heating pad on this side for the other mom, so they'll both have a heating pad as well as this heating light. I don't have it directly pointed on them. It's kind of facing this way, but I do feel the heat, and I do kind of feel it down there a little bit. That's just to keep them dry and warm because mom, once she coming to, which in the next day or so, she will be cleaning them, licking them clean and everything. So until she start doing that, I'm gonna have baby wipes and just wiping their bum, wiping their private areas, make sure they're clean, make sure they're actually doing it, using the bathroom. So wiping the area, private area, it makes them use the bathroom. And that's why you see mom cleaning them because she makes them use the bathroom. So if they don't use the bathroom, then all that stuff will get clouded in the inside of them and they will die. Oh, we're just rolling all over. So right now the puppies they're a few hours old and they seem real strong. Uh, my job is to pretty much be here, make sure mom don't sit on them, lay on them, make sure they're okay, and make sure they are nursing. Okay. Well, that'll be it for today. I'll show you the other dogs later. And we'll go from there. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Two boys, two girls. Two boys, two girls. So we're gonna go ahead and put these up, and I'll come back to you. I gotta get mine. I said I ain't want no all black dog, but I fell in love first sight. Come on, y'all all on him. Give him a little breathing room. All right, we got four. Two boys, two girls.